Okay, doing the data table, I need a one variable data table. So I need to finish out, first of all, the formulas in the top row. So in B4, so for the rate, I need to find the interest rate over here, which is in cell B4, which is exactly what it says. Okay. And then for the last formula here, equals, and then put up over here the total cost of a loan. So now I'm set to create a data table. And I'm going to use cell B4. That's the annual interest rate as the column input cell. First thing I need to do is select where's my data table going to go, because these are the columns I'm trying to fill in, right? Whoops. Okay. Then I need to go to data, and it's a what if analysis. So I want to click a data table. I did not enter my data in rows, otherwise I'd have the formulas over here. I've got columns for each one. So I need a column input cell. And again, since this is the top of the table, this is where I need my information to be. I also need this to be an absolute reference because it's never going to change into a different place. Don't want it moved when it's copied. So I tell it, okay, and there we go. That one's done.